Are you tired of struggling with weak gums, tooth sensitivity, and constant discomfort? What if I told you there's a solution that transforms your oral health and boosts your confidence? Introducing Biodentix. This revolutionary dental support formula consists of 11 plus natural ingredients that support healthy teeth and gums. It's your all-in-one answer for lasting oral freshness and wellness. Biodentix helps strengthen your teeth, promote gum health, and freshen your breath naturally. Unlike typical dental products, it nourishes your oral health from within. Imagine having the confidence to smile freely every day. What sets Biodentix apart? It's 100% natural, backed by science, and manufactured in the USA to the highest quality standards. Thousands are already experiencing the life-changing benefits it offers, and you can too. Don't wait. Take advantage of our limited-time offer. Get Biodentix for just $49 a bottle. That's 75% off. It's time to reclaim your oral health and boost your confidence. Join the thousands who are transforming their smiles. Click the link below in description and pinned comment and secure your bottle of Biodentix today. Your brighter, healthier smile awaits.